This video covers how to properly change the filter cartridge for SMF600 or SMF620 ScaleBlocker filtration systems. The ScaleBlocker system is designed for single-point connection of generator-based steamers. To be most effective, it must not be connected in line with additional equipment. Before using a newly installed ScaleBlocker water filter, familiarize yourself with the water connections of the mounted backplate and plumbing features. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout within 90 days of installation free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly, and measures water hardness for steamer equipment. To schedule this free service, contact your sales representative. New ScaleBlocker installations and filter cartridge replacements should be registered through the Vulcan website. The valve on the water inlet should be in the off position whenever the cartridge is rotated or removed. Warning! If, during equipment operation, the supply plumbing is shuttering or the steamer water fill valve emits a loud bang or series of bangs, this is called a water hammer. A water hammer arrestor must be installed or premature solenoid valve failure will occur, or water leaks can develop. Removing the used filter cartridge. 1. Turn off the steamer. 2. Shut off the water inlet supply valve to the water filter. 3. Press the red pressure relief button on the filter mount to release the water pressure in the filter housing. 4. A filter wrench is not necessary to unlock the cartridge. However, use care and a firm grip with both hands on the cartridge. It will be heavy and full of water. Turn the cartridge a quarter turn counterclockwise when viewed from the bottom, and pull downward about 1.5 inches to release the filter cartridge. Installing a new filter cartridge. 1. Remove and discard the plastic sanitary cap from the top of the new cartridge. Be sure to apply sufficient lubrication to the O-rings. 2. Align ear on the cartridge with notch in the filter head and push upwards to insert. Turn cartridge clockwise when viewed from the bottom, quarter turn until a solid stop is felt. Hand tight is sufficient. 3. Slowly turn open the water inlet supply valve to the water filter. Observe the system for any leaks. A few drops are possible, but will subside after a couple of minutes once the O-rings seal under pressure and seat properly. For any leaks lasting longer or more than a few drops, see the Leaks Troubleshooting section of the operating manual on the Vulcan website. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan SMF600 and SMF620 ScaleBlocker water filters for generator-based steamers. For more information on operating and maintaining your steam equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.